What's up, guys? It's Nicole Kirkland. I'm a dancer and choreographer. I've worked with many different artists, and I'm also a Steezy Studio instructor. Today, I will be choreographing an intermediate heels piece to Get to You by Trevor Jackson. Not only will I be choreographing this piece from scratch, you will also be able to learn it at steezy.co. So, if you like this piece today, make sure you head on over to the link in the description box, and you can learn it right now. All right, so let's start with the song. I've already listened to this song like a million times. I find it is much easier to choreograph when you know the song. Certain moves just kind of like pop into my brain. It's really weird. I'm gonna start on I only do this shit to get to. I think it kind of like starts it nicely, kind of aggressive, and then it gets into this chorus that's a little bit more soft. So I feel like it should be something aggressive, something strong, forward, facing the audience to like really get your message across. Only do this shit to get to, and we'll just sit in that. So I think on the 4, I'm actually gonna bring this right foot up. Boom, and then I have somewhere to go. 1, 2, and we'll just push that out. 3, 4. Nice little sexy hip roll to the right. See, this is the thing about choreography too. It's hard to start. Where do you start? What do you wanna start with? Like, what are you feeling? And then once you kind of get into the flow, then it just kind of starts rolling, but it's always hard. I always feel like the very first like 8 count is the hardest. Only do this shit to get to. Ooh, and I like that little cross that we did. Can we play that? Let's listen to that. Gotta listen, gotta figure it out. What do I wanna hit? What do I not wanna hit? Boom, geet, ha. Also, I wanna add a push here on the last one. Geet, push. No, messed up. Goom, goom. I don't know, we'll see if it feels natural. And I think I wanna hold the first one, no arms, and then I kinda like that push up for the second, third, and then out. And then what did I say? I say, goom, ska, ska. See, that's another reason. I like to have people with me when I choreograph because I be forgetting what I do. I'll do something dope, and then I'm like, wait, what did I just do? And sometimes having an assistant there is nice because they're like, you did this. And I'm like, yes. Only do this shit. Okay, I got it. Only do this shit to get to. And then I feel like I want to come down, and then I want to change my body. We've been facing the front a while, so let's get a nice little silhouette to the side. Hey, boom. Oh, I almost fell. Shoom. Maybe we can push this, and then, do you hear all those bones? Literally. Oh my God, it's so embarrassing. Like you're like really trying to be cute, and then all of a sudden you're just like, ooh, yeah, only do the shit to get. Because I like how he says shiz. He's like, only do the shit. Oh no, tick, boom. I feel like that feels a little weird though, this right arm, it's like it can't do anything. Ooh, maybe we add a leg. Zoom, zoom, go, oh, that's kind of nice. And gee. Okay, that's what it is. To kind of accent that word shit a little bit more, boom, we'll bring that up. And then drop, and I feel like I want to stay into that left hip, and then maybe we can do some kind of rock there. Cause I only do this shit to get to you. Only do this shit to get to you. Ooh, just let us rock there for a sec. That's nice. This feels okay, I'm not gonna lie. It doesn't feel the best, but I think it looks good. I'm gonna wrap this around. I like to just follow the flow, especially for heels, because you don't have as much floor to be able to twist and turn and change your body placement as fast. So for heels, I really try and make sure that like it keeps going and it feels good when you switch positions, or else like you gonna be doing these little stutter steps. That's literally my biggest pet peeve, is those little freaking stutter steps when I'm doing heels, and it's like strong and then they're like it literally drives me insane. So I kind of snapped into that a little bit more there. Drop here, we'll go push, push, and then I think we'll go right, left. Well, maybe we'll do some arm there. Ooh. Ooh, 1 arm, 2 arms, there we go. Sometimes I just kind of get the idea and I pass it, and then it will just like, whatever I end up doing the whole time, I'll just keep it. Because sometimes you think about stuff too much and then you just should have made it more natural. Ooh, is it working? Because baby, I'm hurting. Ooh, that's a bag right there. Is it working? Baby, I'm hurting.
How you are, you just have to say that you're fine.
This is what I'm talking about. When you listen to a song, you have those moments in the song where you're just like, bro, we got to kill this part because it's like the moment. Baby, let's get some emo. You feel it? Because baby, ooh, yes, let's turn that up. I think I want to step here, hurting, some kind of in situation. Just contract that. Ooh, zoom, zoom, ga. boom, boom, ga, da, da. I feel like we have to bring this in or else it feels a little stuck to then step again on this right. So step and break. Ooh, I don't actually do movement like that a lot, like big, like pretty stuff, but you know, sometimes it just calls for it, so we're gonna do it. Oh, hello, little friend. There's a little tiny gnat. Little tiny gnat. Little gnat. Cut.
That's a mosquito.
Is it?
Now you die.
Okay, oh, play this next part, because I know there's a moment here that I really want to hit.
I'ma be honest, I got
Some bad intention. Ugh, let's break into it. Push and hit, just change up the vibe a little bit. For me, whenever the audience gets like used to something, I like to switch it. So like right when they're like, ooh, okay, there's the pocket, and then just like switch it up, and it's like, oh, wasn't expecting that. It keeps them like excited. Boom, boom. Maybe it's okay, we'll see. I'll keep working on it, but I'm just gonna let it happen naturally. Let's go from the top, see where we're at, see how we're feeling. We're getting a groove though. See how much faster it is now? I do wanna go to the floor in this piece, not long. Maybe we do the floor here. You've been missing, yes, drama, give me drama, drama. This actually felt good. I feel it feels crazier than it looks. Sometimes you gotta sacrifice the comfort for the visual, you know? You gotta push through it. And then I think we'll prep, do like one little single to the floor, and then do some drama, ha. Don't do this, ha. Okay, so we have a little bit of time, so we need to fill this up here. We need to do something before the turn. I think we have 2 counts. Play that one more time. Ha, okay. I mean, he says, show you what you've been missing, just living it, you know what I mean? Ah! Just give him a moment to like appreciate what you're giving. You just gotta be there, be present. Sometimes you don't even need to do a lot. I think we'll have to do a ball change, and then we're just gonna let this go down to the floor, and then we'll go, gah, nice, open to the ceiling. Hello, flash dance rain on me. Ah, see, that's where we have a problem, because now it's too fast. Ha, I think we'll just have to prep right into it again like that. Shit. Yeah, okay, intermediate. Okay, a little bit intermediate advance. From here, I just felt that out. Boom. I think I just want to like, let's see, what does that look like? So you gotta check yourself out, make sure it looks good. I feel like it looks cool. In, out, in, out. Yeah, we'll do something like that. And then I think I just want to do a classic open fan to the back, land here, and we're done. Ah, there we go. Okay, perfect. And then we'll just roll up. I feel like it's at like an 85% done. We'll go through and find those parts that need a little bit more work. This was the first part here that felt a little strange to me. I think I just want to sit into this last one, and then I have somewhere to go. Boom, ball change. So that hip, that's another thing, connection, right? We need to connect all the moves so it's seamless. You can have dope moves, but if they don't connect nicely, then what are we doing? I have to be very clear with where my weight is going. So right now it feels a little strange. I think I need to bring that hip. While my hip is coming back, I need to start bringing this foot in to go, huh. Yes, that's it. See the difference? Before I was going here, here, right into this, da, da. It doesn't flow as nice. Boom, boom, ga, 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 ga. That's nice. Okay, I think we're done. We worked out the body and we figured out how to make them connect nicely. And I think it's telling a story.
Some pretty faces. Hope you see it and get irritated. Cause I only do this shit to get to you. You only do this shit to get to you. Is it working? Cause baby, I'm hurting. I'ma be honest, I got some bad intentions. Hope you've been seeing what the fuck you've been missing. Only do this shit to get to you. To get to you. I've been really acting up, doing way too much.
All right, now that the piece is done, click the link in the description box. You can learn it right now. So what are you waiting for? Click it, go. Also, make sure you subscribe to Steezy's YouTube channel and make sure you leave a comment, like this video, and we'll see you next time. Now, when you do this move, you really wanna like work from your hips. Front, it's like over, I'm like over exaggerating. I'm like, drop. You just want to push them forward, boom. Then we're gonna step back, boom, our hips are back, Stay on top of yourself. Boom. Now pull.